Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by gathering credentials and confirming two-factor access. This prevents interruptions. Open the official Twitter app or Twitter. And sign into your primary account. Once done, tap your profile icon or More menu to access account options. You want to choose Add an existing account, not Create, because the flow expects a current login. Enter the other account's username, email, or phone and its password, then submit to continue. Keep your phone or authenticator nearby for the next step. After entering credentials, you'll be prompted for two-factor authentication if enabled. Use SMS code, authenticator app, or backup codes to prove identity. Make sure to follow each prompt. Twitter may ask to verify email or phone during the ad process. Once verified, the app links the accounts under your device. You'll see both handles listed in the menu. To switch, tap the profile icon and pick the other account. If you want notifications separated, adjust settings per account under Notifications and Privacy. Complete the process by verifying both accounts show correctly, then switch to the added account and load the timeline to confirm functionality. If login fails, immediately try a password reset for the problematic account and retry the add account flow. Make sure your Twitter app is updated. Clearing the app cache or removing then re-adding the account often resolves stuck states. One key troubleshooting tip: if two-factor delivery is blocked, generate backup codes from the original account or use the authenticator app.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.